obi amfa tai bi ama yenyimi yenye gullible so you should stop playing with am yenim say this for supporters ni gullible
loudest
Medofo memwakwa aba ediba aba loudest TV and any first time I wish me a meda asese wa join me name make sure say obe subscribe ansa na wako na fe wa like na wa share opeso a ensem no wo ye Ghana ni nti se fata se otibi tie bi na hunu de ekoso wo my Ghana mu na enche bia na Reverend John Ntimfodwo press conference or ewo Accra na sa press conference na wo ye no odinsem bebre na neto Ghana fo anim say enyema bi ikoso e wo so address but ade ba kwa mpese hu ni say Reverend John Ntimfodwo nipa bi a onhye da enye loud sa e wo Ghana ha say ye ka politicians anopa awia na enwume omokasa no papa we obi a oye very different kakra enti asem we no say they will see kasa no timi ho say ano ya yedin pa na ono akroya ranking member on Parliament Defence and Interior Committee na osanso ye Ascent South constituency member of Parliament nensem ode to nsentrefo anim ni nyina ne say Ahmed aircraft bi ebepiem wo Ghana Kotoka International Airport on 20th March 2025 na sa aircraft ya wo kana semu eya na ayarefo na edi omu chinchin say bi a referrals bi na yakoma omu ayaresa anase yakwa attend to them immediately na plane na ebedru Kotoka no ono wa mfa yarefo bi ama na wa mefa yarefo bi enfrensu emfri Ghana anko enti ade ben pa poten na sa flight obeye wa ha ogina ha for 5 days enti na ba ko bi nso be kan ne ho a plane no ebeye 2 ewo Kotoka International Airport na onu de osusu se drugs na fe money laundering ho dwumadie na sa aircraft no ebeye ewo Ghana enti opa President John Dramani Mahama achew say onye prime investigation sa press conference no ni tintin ni tietie nyina ne say na opa President John Dramani Mahama achew say ade a ordinary sisu na ohwehwemu a ebeboa Ghana fo nyina na afi so onka na national security for and starting investigations because ono de osusu say sa plane mienu na ebaaye na mebobra bia no money laundering ho dwumadie esumasi dwadie drug trafficking na eba beyeye enti yemfrase enye investigations na yenhunu ba bia ade ni free baaye ne ba bia ekọ na o check flight trafficking platforms ahodo a ewo internet no so abebre na confirm say no kre Ahmed N823 AM ebepie Ghana from Grand Canaria ewo Spain oba bedru Ghana ewo time be say 8 AM ewo Ghana na ofri honom ofri Grand Canaria ho bedru Ghana ha say sabre no enti odru ha no wo ameye hwe yehu ya ne say si honom enti sam ne de bebre na Reverend John Ntimfodwo to dwa na asem yi beto dwa no politicians ahodo bebre na de omanu atum ebi kire say asem ne de emu ye na ebi si e beye no kre because President John Dramani Mahama de obade a aeroplane ho sensem de edoso kai Airbus enti yenhwehwem ene ade anche ne hu say JDM president watimi aposti ewo ne social media pages ne nyina ne say sa press conference no wehu na wa share national security say omonye investigations over sa Ahmed aircraft ne ho asem ni post no ye nyina so ye hunu bi ewo social media and especially Twitter and Facebook ne ade nyina anche inti after say Reverend John Ntimfodwo sa press conference ne bae na anche bia ne hu say Member of Parliament for Abrase Bukwaman Kese Phyllis Kwachiofusu ono anso na government spokesperson ono nso kasa say sa Ahmed aircraft BPM Ghana wa meya adeboni bia wa meye bibia ede ha bebre Ghana na emom ne hwehwemu a oye say sa Ahmed aircraft no omotai epae enti na wo say Orlando tentem na ye fix ma wo mo enti a second flight ebeka ahoma ne ye too sa Carvok aircraft na no bae no ono ne the tires foforo any engineers a wo be fixe Ahmed aircraft ne tires na asay no ene de bae ene ma enti na planes no ye too ewo Kotoka International Airport no wo ma meye money laundering bia na say drug trafficking ho dwumadie bia enti Ghana for yembongu na no see ya say Kim ɛna ɔkatachie free fa mensa enso atutu bia ma ne say hey dama wodwin say Ghana fo ye nkra ho kane bi ne na ensem bi say ba na mo be kan ensem bi na ato ye chim say si ade Ghana fo nyina ni ate papa ene ensem de okatachie free fa brusu bi
sofo yi wo mo friend say sofo intim fodwo MPP MP Reverend intim fodwo na kamu ye wono kwa won pekasa bebe ya ti krom ha politics ye ye a enkofo kasa kasa basa won ka bi etiam won wase ase o sofo intim fodwo abase security for BNI say wono ye ranking member on security and defense ne de ben see more mine ho ban na Kofi as part of the mandate of a year is in the juma no in the juma no yes ranking member no so committee no so no so timi make sure so mine ye bo ho ban say and we bibi be ho because bibi ni wan komom for mo chocho ro for sa emma divert attention afi fele so fosu kwache ade achin ya so dabi na ade no play back oba ne tie na pie wo wiem Reverend Tim for job buy play our kan ho asem say di kan buy eye N83223 AM so fosu kwache won kan kore no twatro e ma ban na me se ma me nsu me play no na yenhwe enti afi izumi wazumi mu na fe bo na ha yewe first of all yen kan se studio as a picture say amuhu enya Ghana asase so na me kire mu se enya Ghana afe yenko bo mo no mo hwe aha eti ya na me presse ayin ba ko se yenhwe se Ghana asase so aha na wona da hoyi ye change tie ye change tie tie no mo de bae no ewa jina ho na so betimi azumi in na yanhwa de Kobi sa picture we yanhwa na Ghana ya Ghana even floor ne esoro ne ya Ghana we your mama so nchire mu
to akofa communicators
your mama so nchire mu to akofa communicators am jamfi wona anim number 9 bo ko tisim na ye ne sei na wo Felix de edika ache play no de ba ye de sei no kan no kore na obi yare Spain o mo boa
more fire
okay aban babia
more fire obey adwuma no
and John Dramani Mahama ana na yele metefe etimi nya akukuduro e de play ayi cocaine e share ne handbag e fro flight
more fire ono
ewi akire ni ase ayi gold house ayi nuan gold house ni se ni ase ni nyonko pa
na kansoma
kom ni nchirem
more fire
etino kuro wo mu ne se there should be a national inquiry into this matter. We cannot sweep it under the carpet. Chrono womb, cocaine womb, they should come and prove it.
More fire.
Obian fatai biama, yenyimi, yenye gullible. So you should stop playing with them. Yenim say this for supporters and you're gullible, but some of us are not. For my some show, Wako Jessica, Eddie campaign. Na say a young man, Montimi, you should Ghana as a came up.
Say my anything.
I never know. Amumian Kanokore. You swagene, and this is for you swagene.
Precisely.
More fire. More fire.
Play by Kwabi Ghana. Mosi ya nipa kwa high free kwa. Kofi 2 months ago, and your mama fella say play be 12 year kwa Nigeria. Me catch it. Me and me as a man, I don't want to involve myself in it because Bibia Meka Habiani must be backed by fact and law.
More fire.
Sapling in Nigeria are returning back. Omoba no mo fan for Nigeria. And it's in a moje kakra. And then the Nigeria kwa ye. Mofuma someone saw on your
more fire.
So cocaine is true. Someone may any evidence that is contrary there. And yet the only conclusion that comes to our mind is that the two planes were here for something different than what you guys are telling us. And you bet me 1 + 1 is equal to 2. And the cocaine or muton. Unless you give us contrary proof.
More fire.
And nobody should call me and say, "Brabema evidence." Now, who state no ground evidence? I remember. Men are member evidence.
More fire. More fire.
25th light away airport in call off generator and so one way airport I call for that. That's how time you're soon. Me, you're dead, bassa, denture. When you meet Harry, what does he uncle out? What they had and cooking have? Baby, your mama, dear, when you hear my say, Galamsi, or the Bukuya. And a bueno, a Yubakaya, Naya Metafeni. Anna, Sab, a year now, almost a Photoshop, dear shop. Sa picture with 2013 or 2014 na yele a case in buy this Instagram page and another picture with that and go focus fire almost as spread it send one have me as a group will be yes and yeah boy
Yohane Cruise
Obi no crepe woman there is something more fishy with these two planes. The Yakanyina, Uchako, we say, plane me, no could do a bruche, so we see year rounds one day. One way be a year.
Now, no, they pa.
Peloso for squatch, one come of one.
We are like a cannon, so. Cannon, so. As a small cannon, no clue, dear Trossa.
Edigovi said ya 70 years sanity. Obi ani mnyansa kura we dia. Na reverend team for jo. Onye jimi for. On sore me kasa keke. Na ye musa jo mama say eye diplomatic communities o mo ntwero kra ta mre o.
Oh fire.
It's an international body. We say we should look into the matter very well. And you see, because we are a sovereign nation, that is how come they can't say that. Say I am part. So what they can do is to tell you to investigate it well. But in actual fact, what they are telling you is that we know what you are doing.
Therefore, in 1970, hey, sa di achi ade saying Ghana ye beti biya. Na yen so nyamia do ma ye wo camera, microphone. Ena etwa ye de betina so ne ano ye de beka say yen so ye beka biya ama Ghana fo ati. Subscribe ma me wate, like na share. Me da asese wa join me na yetimi edi enkomo. Make sure say obeye o man papa na yetimi aboa ma Ghana enya nkoso. Obetimi follow Abaloudest on all social media platforms na yen link up enso ewo ho se de be ya obehia me bie mu nti me share wa subscribe like na share o wa adwentwe bia nso a January se ho ma me da se bye bye.
Abaloudest.
Loudest.